welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine. I'm on my last legs with this Fragmentation Shawl and I'm glad it's over. It was a fun hit, but I'm done now. We're almost there. My little cat assistant, my little Luna, she thought I was having tired hands, so she needed some TLC. Such a lovely little cat, my little furry friend. This is how she lays with me. Almost there. Last wedge, last few stripes. I don't think I'll be able to put it in this vlog, but I hope to finish it by the end of the week. So I'm ready for the MKAL. I hope so. Lovely to put this to the side. Done. And when my son was at judo, I did this. Have a nice week. Bye.